Under the moonlit sky where shadows play, at the crossroads where spirits stray, keeper of secrets veiled in night, Hecate walks, her torch is alight. Oh, Hecate, faces gaze to the past and the new. The maiden, the mother, the crone in view. With her keys she unlocks realms unseen. Hecate reigns, the eternal queen. Oh, Hecate, so divine, through her power the worlds align. Dogs at her side, they howl to the moon. A goddess of magic, death and the room. Her wisdom power untamed, Hecate's glory forever proclaim. Oh, Hecate, queen of the veil, guardian of paths where mysteries dwell, guide us through the dark, show us the way. Under the moonlit sky where shadows play, at the crossroads where spirits stray,